YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Thrax, and I'm back in the building once again, bringing y'all another banger. Today we're gonna be switching up what we do a little bit today. I hope y'all been having a good week. Mine has been wonderful. Your boy been off for a good little minute, man. I've been chilling. I wanted to go ahead and drop another video for y'all. This one's gonna be a little bit different. Reason I'm gonna be doing this video today is because a lot of people look at your face first when they see you. Sneakerheads, they kind of look at your feet first, but your average day-to-day person, they're gonna look at your hair, they're gonna look at your face, they're gonna look at all your features that's from here up. So if you want to get waves, or if you got waves and you just want to make them better, you want to get your connections better, you want to do this, you want to do that, y'all go ahead and lock in with me. Alright y'all, I'm glad for y'all tuning in. I hope that y'all stick with me throughout this whole video. I'm gonna start this off with a raw and uncut clip. I'm gonna show y'all what my hair look like up under this hat, man. I ain't got no haircut, I ain't got no lineup, I ain't got no type of shape up, no nothing, bro. No temp fade, no nothing. I ain't got my hair cut in probably about 6 weeks, so y'all just, bear with me, bro. It's finna get rough. Whew. As y'all can see, I ain't got not one wave in my head. I ain't got one line up, edge up, no nothing like that. I got curlies all over my beard, all that stuff, man. So I'm finna show y'all how to shake back, man. And just so y'all know, this ain't gonna show y'all how to get waves in 5 minutes. It's gonna be in 5 minutes. Like, the video gonna be like 5 minutes long, but you're not gonna be able to get waves in 5 minutes, bro. Like, if your hair been like this for like a year, you're not gonna get waves instantly like that, bro. You might, but they're not gonna look good. Your connection not gonna look good. It's gonna look like a bunch of squiggly lines and all that. So with that being said, keep doing this week after week after week, and your connections gonna line up. You're gonna have a good crown. Everything gonna look good, man. I promise y'all. Y'all stick with me, man. All right, y'all. First thing first, y'all gonna wanna lay out all your materials that you're gonna use to wash your hair with. You're gonna wanna have all your brushes laid out to the sides. You're gonna wanna have your mirror. I'll explain what these plastic bags for. You wanna have all your conditioners, all your shampoos, everything that's gonna keep your hair moisturized and all that stuff. Have your comb. The reason I got so many brushes is because you wanna line your hair up with different stages. So your first stage is gonna be with a hard brush, and then your next stage is gonna be with a medium, and then you're gonna go with a soft. You can either do a soft, you do a plastic bag, either one that you wanna do. Of course, while you're washing your hair, you're gonna have a towel laid out. So make sure you got a towel so you don't be dripping water everywhere. You ain't getting soap all in your eyes and stuff like that. All right, y'all, next thing you're gonna wanna do, you wanna change about your school clothes, good clothes, big boy clothes, whatever y'all wanna call it. Cause this is finna get messy, man. A few more items that I want to let y'all know to have is something to compress your hair with, cause you're gonna wanna get your hair locked in after you done got it laid down. So first thing that you wanna get is a wave cap. So you want an elastic wave cap. You want something that's gonna fit tight, not too tight, because you don't want to have like abrasions and stuff on your forehead. And what that's gonna do is gonna stretch all your waves out. Now, once you got your wave cap, you also gonna want something to compress that down as well and to hold it in place. So I always get me a satin Durag. So once you got a satin Durag, what it's gonna do is it's gonna keep the moisture in. It's not gonna dry your hair out. It's always gonna lay your hair down along with the wave cap. So y'all make sure y'all got them items, and then y'all can get started. next thing that you want to do, pull out your stocking cap, wave cap, whatever you want to call it. You're gonna grab one. And I cannot stress this enough, grab one. Do not do two of these, because it's gonna burn your forehead all up. Do one of them. I turn that sideways, stretch out a little bit, then I go for my crown and work it all the way out. So if y'all probably can see, it's already stretching my waves out. I know I'm finna look a little goofy, but the next thing that you wanna do, you wanna pull it down so that you can keep tension on your waves. And once you got that tension on your waves, then you go and you pull out your Durag, get yourself in there. Make sure that that line on the Durag is on the outside as well, so you don't have a line on your forehead. And then you wanna go right above your eyebrow line right there. Alright, then you just wanna flip your Durag. Make sure that you got your Durag comfortable, man, because you don't want to lay down after you get done washing this out and your Durag be too tight, because it's going to tighten up once you wash it and it dry up. So flap in. So once you got it like this, what you basically going to do, you're going to wait a few minutes, you're going to rinse this out, and then once you rinse it out, you're just going to want to lay down, let it dry, and once it dry, you're going to take it off, and your wave's going to be held in place. Y'all, so I just rinsed my waves out, dry them off just enough so that it's not dripping everywhere. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just sit down, I'm gonna chill a couple hours. I'm gonna come back, take this off, brush it down a little bit more, maybe hit it with a plastic bag, and then wrap it right back up and keep it moving. About, I'd say, hour and a half, my hair is completely dry now. So I'm gonna take the Durag off and I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. And then I'm gonna brush it a little bit, put the Durag back on, and then I'm gonna go to sleep, wake up tomorrow, go get me a chop, show y'all the last and the results. Like I said, tomorrow, I wake up early in the morning, head down to the shop, get chopped up, and then I'll get back with y'all. All right, y'all, it's Friday morning. I done jumped fresh. I'm finna head down to the city, get a chop, get some gas. I'm gonna stop by, see my baby girl, drop off some documents and stuff like that. So, yeah, stick with me. Y'all, I had to go outside and change real quick. It was stupid hot out here. It ain't stupid hot, but like, it's hotter than I expected. It's actually, the temperature is cooler than it was yesterday, but it just feel hotter, and I don't know why. Maybe because it rained yesterday, whatever, but yeah, we finna head down. All right, YouTube, I'm back in this thing, man. Just left the barbershop. Boy, I laced up when it got 1.5, and then I got a low fade, and I have a beard lined up, and then I'm gonna ahead and call it a day, man, but I'm gonna go ahead and flip around, let y'all see the results of this, and then I let y'all decide how y'all wanna get y'all haircut. Your length and your curl pattern is gonna depend on what type of haircut that you get. But I just personally, I either go with a temp fade or I go with a low fade. Then also want to say that you might want to tell them to keep your crown a little bit higher. I forgot to tell him this time, he kind of shaved a little bit off, but I still got my waves up there. But if you keep your crown a little bit thicker, it'll just help your waves flow better outside your crown, like from your crown out. So for some reason, when you cut your crown the same length as the rest of your hair, it like to go a little bit lower. But yeah, man, that's all I got for y'all. It's been Threat Side Kicks, and I'm out.